Hi, and welcome to this course on research methodology for computer and system sciences. My name is Paul Johannesson, and I will here give a short overview of the course and suggest how you can start working on it. But first, let's back to the goals of the course. The overall course goal is to create an understanding of the design and evaluation of solutions to practice-oriented problems. More precisely, this means that after the course, you should be able to describe and explain and know about key concepts and principles within design science research. This is the very basic stuff. More importantly, you should be able to look into existing DSR projects that other people have carried out and describe and analyze them. And even more importantly, you should be able to apply DSR methodologies yourself and design and develop and evaluate solutions to practical problems using such methodologies. And all of this should be carried out in different contexts. First, you have the project context, so you should be able to do this stuff in a small scale project. You should also be able to describe and explain how DSR fits into the bigger picture of other empirical research methodologies and paradigms. And you should also be able to set all of this in a big societal picture and know about societal and ethical issues of DSR. And how are we going to work to do all of this? What are the activities? Well, there are 5 basic course activities. There are 9 lectures in total, and all of these are pre-recorded so you can look at them. And we estimate that you will need about 7 days of work to go through all of the lectures. And it's not only about watching the videos, it's also about reading literature around each lecture. Then we have 3 seminars where you gather together with about 20 other students in a group and you solve some tasks and discuss them, and there you apply your knowledge. 3 such seminars and roughly 1 day per seminar, because it's not only attending the seminar itself, it's also working on assignments both before and after the seminar. Then the biggest part of the course is the project assignment. And this is a project carried out in small project groups, typically 5 students. And in that, you design some solution to a practical problem, and you document it and evaluate it. And this is a large part of the course, or almost half the course. We estimated 11 days for that. Then you will work on a small literature assignment where you learn about existing research. You read papers by design science researchers who have used this DSR methodology, and you summarize and evaluate such papers. And finally, there is a written exam, and we only estimate 2 days for that one, because if you have worked hard on all the other parts, it should be very easy to take this written exam. So the exam itself and preparations shouldn't be more than 2 days. So what are then the first things you should do? Well, you should read the course overview. It's a short PDF document describing the course in some detail. Then you should learn about the course structure by browsing the course website. Then join a seminar group, and this should be done before 4th of September, and you should then be able to start working on topic 1. And also very important, you should create a project group together with 4 other students, and you should do that before 11th of September. And let me show then more practically how you can do this in the course website. Okay, this is how the website looks like. The very first thing is to have a look at the course overview. Here it is. You just click there, and then we have this PDF document. Should come up here, I guess. Yes. It's roughly what I've talked about right now: goals, learning activities, and also a bit more about the examination and how it works, and about the grading. So spend a little time on reading this course overview document. You can also see here that we have different ways of communicating. We have a number of forums for this, and it's very much recommended that you use these forums when you have a question to the teachers, or you would like to start some discussion together with your fellow students or with the teachers. Okay, then you should join a seminar group for these 3 seminars, and then you just click here and you are taken to the page for the seminar groups. Yeah, here it is. And you just fill in the group that you would like to join. And then you should join your project group, and there is a section here about the project. So you click here, and here you can learn a bit more about the project. Here you create a project group, and the size of the groups, that's 5 students. And we have a special forum here that you can use for discussing with the course participants in order to identify other members of your group in case you don't know people already. And after that, you should be able to start working on the first topic. And then you can just go here to the first lecture, Introduction to Design Science Research. So you could click here. Let's see if it works. It's a bit slow here. Okay, and here are all the lectures. And so using that is one way of listening to the lectures. But another way is to use the video playlist, where you will simply get a YouTube playlist, which is another format. You might choose what is most convenient for you. So, once again, please be very welcome to this course. We will have a lot of interaction this year, even if it is a distance course, because we have the project assignment and the seminars. And don't hesitate to use the forums if you have any questions or any suggestion about the course.